Hey guys, today we got a pretty easy one. This is going to be a non-overflow vessel sink install. Pretty standard vessel sink here. As you can see, we've already got the faucet hooked up. This cabinet was replaced after some flood damage in this house. So we've got the new cabinet in, we've got the faucet put on, and now we're going with a vessel sink. So as you see, we start by putting the drain on the vessel sink itself. We're going to caulk this right here. That's going to hold the sink in place as well as seal it up if any water gets on the cabinet to keep it from going down into the drain hole. Just connect everything up, make sure we grease that nut and seal so that it tightens up nice without binding up on the rubber. The new tailpiece we're hooking up to the existing plumbing that was sticking out. All new P-trap and tailpiece with all the new plumbing. The sink's going to work pretty well. You're going to see we're just going to test it out and make sure it's all good. Then we'll be on to the next one.